This is the elevator at 103 East Pittsburgh Street in Greensburg, Pennsylvania. Like, look at this. This is an all gated Otis with 2-speed hand operated outside doors and a gate. Actually, it's a Warsaw. I thought this was an Otis. Wow. Cab is pristine. Wow. I didn't think we had any of these Warsaw passenger elevators. Door spring notes, let's let it close. Close the gate as well. Interlock was replaced with a Southern electric supply. This is a beautiful gated out cab, Warsaw. This is the second building with Warsaw in Western PA in general. First passenger. Sadly though, it did get a mod by Reliance with GAL, but nonetheless, this is still cool. I think one wants, let's go up to 6. Creaky. We're at 6. Top floor. That cart's about. Wow. I think the cab's been painted with black and then the gold trim, the bird cage or semi-bird cage. Wow. I think this is completely original besides the fixtures. These were probably replaced in the 80s. Let's go back down to 1. I had a 7th and an 8th floor, but they don't exist. Hallway on the first floor is replaced with like a DIY replacement. Kind of strange. No, I'm not by interlock, I'm at a gate switch. What's actually interesting is on the website, the Jet One website for this building, it says it advertises the vintage elevator, so they're, I guess, kind of proud of their elevator. Okay, pretty good hair though. We have 1. It's a little iffy. I wonder if this gate can be held open. I don't think it can naturally. There closes, now it's gonna be it.